Hi everyone, welcome back to Vocab Junction. In this video, we will explore determiners. Determiners are the unsung heroes of language, helping us to specify, clarify, and refine our meaning. So let's get started. Now the question arises, what are determiners? Well, determiners are words that come before nouns and provide information about nouns' specificity, quantity, or possession. Determiners help clarify which noun is being referred to, how many of them there are, or to whom they belong. Words that help identify or specify which noun we are talking about are called determiners. So we are going to discuss 8 types of determiners here. First one is articles. An article is a determiner that modifies a noun by indicating whether it is specific or general, such as the, a, or an. The definite article is the. It is used to refer to a specific previously mentioned or already known noun. Example is, I am reading the book you lent me. यहाँ पे द का इस्तेमाल हम वहाँ करेंगे जो हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या हम किसी चीज़ को जो पहले से जानते हैं उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, राइट. सो आई एम रीडिंग द बुक यू लेंट मी. जो बुक तुमने मुझे लेंड की थी, उधार दी थी पढ़ने के लिए, मैं उसे पढ़ रही हूँ. सो मैं एक पर्टिकुलर बुक की बात कर रही हूँ. सो वी आर यूजिंग द हियर. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट indefinite articles. It is a and an, used to refer to a non-specific or general noun. A is used before nouns starting with the consonant sound. जहाँ पे भी consonant sound आएगा उसके आगे हम A का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Next is an. An is used before nouns starting with a vowel sound. जहाँ पे भी vowel sound आएगा उसके आगे आप n का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Examples are, I need a pen. So we are using a here because pen has a p sound which is a consonant sound. So यहाँ पे हम a इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Non-specific pen की बात हो रही है. कोई स्पेसिफिक पेन नहीं है. अगर स्पेसिफिक होता तो द आता. डेफिनेट और स्पेसिफिक के लिए हम द यूज़ करते हैं, बट यहाँ पे किसी स्पेसिफिक चीज़ की बात नहीं है. सो वी आर यूजिंग अ हेयर. अगेन कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है इसलिए हम अ यूज़ कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज आई नीड एन एप्पल. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एप्पल एंड एप्पल हैज़ अ वोवल साउंड. सो वी आर यूजिंग एन एप्पल हेयर, right? And we are not talking about any particular apple. We are talking about non-specific apples. So an will be used here. Next is demonstratives. Demonstrative determiners are words that point out which thing or person you are talking about, such as this, that, these, and those. They are seen to appear right before the noun it determines. Examples are, I want this book. So we use this for the things which are nearer to us. Second is, I want that book over there. That is used for the things which are far. Next is, I love these shoes. Next, I love those shoes you wore yesterday. So we use this, that, these, those in demonstrative. Next is distributive. Distributive determiners are words used to refer to members of a group individually rather than collectively. They help to emphasize the individuals within the group. वह एक ग्रुप में किसी एक इंडिविजुअल के ऊपर emphasize करते हैं, right? Common distributive determiners include each, every, either, and neither. For example, each table in the cafeteria has a napkin dispenser on it. Second is, you can choose either the blue shirt or the red one. So we are choosing one of them, either blue or red. Next is, every morning I exercise. So I'm talking about every morning, रोज. Neither of the two options appeals to me. Neither of the two यानी कि दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. This one is an easy one. Interrogative determiners. These are the words that ask questions about a noun, such as which, what, whose. Examples, which book do you recommend? Second one, what car do you own? Third one, whose phone is this? राइट. सो जहाँ पे भी नाउन के बारे में सवाल किया जाए या नाउन से सवाल किया जाए वो इंटरोगेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स कहलाता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज possessive. Possessive determiners are words that show ownership or possession. They are used before nouns to indicate who or what owns something. Possessive determiners help clarify to whom or what the noun belongs. These are my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. Examples are: first is whose phone is ringing. Second is his decision to join the soccer team was influenced by his friends. Next is my car is red. Next, your smile is beautiful. Next is her book is on the table. Next is quantifying. Quantifier determiners are words that express quantity or amount of a noun, such as some, any, all, both, few, many, much. Examples: some of the athletes in the competition broke previous records. Next is I have many dresses. Next is do you have any sugar? Next, all the students are invited. So, the determiners which tells us about the quantity of noun, right? Those are quantifying determiners. Now, numerals. So, numerical determiners are the words that express a specific number or quantity of a noun, such as 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. So, for example, I have one book. There are two dogs in the park. She won the third prize. So, there are two types of numerical determiners. First is cardinal numerals, second is ordinal numerals. So, cardinal numerals express exact quantities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. And ordinal numerals express position or rank, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. Right? So, there are two types of numerals, cardinal and ordinals. Next one is relative. Relative determiners are words that introduce relative clauses connecting them to the main clause, such as which, that, whose, whom, where. The relative determiners are what, whatever, which, whichever. They are closely related to the relative pronouns. For example, please sit in whichever seat you like. Second one, the book which is on the table is mine. Third one, the person that helped me was very kind. Next is, the city where I grew up is very beautiful. Thank you for watching Vocab Junction. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll be back soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.